All right, I'm now on page 279, and we're going to do a couple more of the problems for Module 6, Lesson 3. We're going to do 17, and we're going to do 20. What I encourage you to do is read the directions, write an equation in standard form, pause it, attempt 17 and attempt 20, and then play it and walk through with me and get your answers. Now, I'm going to just give you a little piece of advice on number 20. A, B, C, and D, some of them I see fractions, but then when I'm supposed to match them up somewhere over here, I don't see any fractions. So remember the little trick of if you don't like dealing with your fractions, you can multiply the entire equation by something in order to get rid of your fraction. So that's just a thing to keep in mind. Okay, so I'm going to hit pause. Hopefully you'll hit pause. And then when you hit play again, it'll be like, ta-da, here's the answer. Okay. Okay, for number 17, the first thing you need to do is figure out the slope. A bathtub that holds 32 gallons of water contains 12 gallons of water. Like before anything happens, before you do anything, it already has 12 gallons of water. So at time is 0, you already have 12 gallons. So that's your y-intercept, okay? And then you begin filling it, and after 5 minutes, the tub is full. Okay, so you have another point. At 5 minutes, you have 32 gallons. At 0 minutes, you had 12 gallons. So you actually have 2 points from the reading. I can generate my slope, and my slope is 4. Then I can take one of the points and the slope and put it into point slope form. Then I can convert it. Let's see, what did I do here? Yeah. And then I can move the 12 over here and move the 4x over here. And I can either write it negative 4x plus y is 12 or 4x minus y is negative 12. All I did was when I got to here, standard form likes you to put the x term in front or first and then the y term. So x term, y term, and then the number. Okay, I've got a lot of scratching and scribbling going on, but what I did here, I had a fraction, I wanted to get rid of it. So I multiply the entire equation by 3, and here's what I come up with. Then I'm going to move the 2x, and I get negative 2x plus 3y equals 9, or if I don't like the x term being negative, I'll flip the signs on everything. Let's see. So 2x minus 3y equals negative 9 is one of my choices, so this one's A. Then B, I subtracted the 6 to move it to the other side. I added the 5x to move it to this other side. So I get negative y plus 5x equals 2, or rearrange and clean it up. That's 5x minus y equals negative 2. It could also be negative 5x plus y is negative 2, but what I wrote originally is the one that they put on there. So this is B. C, what I did is I added 3 to both sides. Then I went over here because I ran out of room. So there's my 3 that I added to both sides. And this is 4x minus 12. This is after I do the distribution. I get y equals 4x minus 9. And then I need to move the 4x. So I wind up with either negative 4x plus y is negative 9, or 4x minus y is positive 9. So that one matches with this, and that is C. And then on D, I had a fraction again. I don't really love that, so I multiplied the entire equation by 6. I didn't pick 6 randomly. I multiplied it by 6 because the denominator over here was 6. All right, when I do that, here's what I came up with. I need to move the 6 to the other side, and I need to move the negative 6y to the other side as well. So I need them to switch sides. When I do that, I get negative 7x minus 6y equals negative 6, or flip everybody's sign, 7x plus 6y is positive 6. So D is this top one.